guys, yeah, on this tutorial we're going to be working with Photoshop, and I would like us to do an outline text. How do we do outline text in Photoshop? It's different from doing it with CorelDraw. So to that, I work with CorelDraw, come into Photoshop to do some graphics. My looks confusing. So I would like to take you guys how to do or how to get an outline text on Photoshop. It's very simple. It's what you don't know, you don't know. So let's get to it. So I'm going to have a text. This time around, my color is white, so and the background is white, so I have to change the color from white to black, and I can do that from this area. Let's have text, outline text. So now I want to scale it to make it bigger. With that, I can use Ctrl T to get my transform. Now I go to the blending. Now here I have some effects here. Here I get stroke. So the moment I apply stroke, color comes out. But the color you are seeing here, if you are practicing it, yours might be different because this is the color I give the last color. So get the last color. So once I click on this dot, I can click on it and get more features. So this size, color section, you can change the color to whatever you like. Yeah, and here is position. Now inside this position we have the outside, inside, center. These three options they work different with the way they are outside. That means you want the color to be outside the text. Inside, you want to be inside the text. That means color text and the outside color, then to the outline color, going to be matched inside together. This one is center. So just trying to just play around with it and do the same to be different opacity. Then just increase it or decrease it. The choice. Outside. And here we have the length. Let's see. Just play around with it. And here I want to talk about the full type. Here I have the color, the gradient, and I have the pattern. Now let's go to the gradient. Gradient can give us one and two colors. So I have some basics here, which Photoshop provides. They can play around, they can introduce it whenever you want. There's a lot of features here that you can play with. So here we have a pattern. Pattern here. So guys, as you can see, it looks very simple. Yeah, and it has a lot of features that you can use with this stroke. So now you have seen that. I would like you guys to practice it, get used to it. If you like this video, click on the like button, drop your comments, and let's see you next time. Catch ya.